Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about aberration of spectacle lens. The introduction of aberration of spectacle lens is: aberration in optics refers to defect in a lens such that light is not focused to a point but is spread out over some region of space, and hence an image formed by a lens with aberration is blurred or distorted with the nature of the distortion depending on the type of aberration. More especially, it can be defined as a departure of the performance of an optical system from the predictions of praxial optics. In an imaging system, it occurs when light from one point of an object does not converge into or does not diverge from a single point after transmission through the system. Aberration occurs because the simple praxial theory is not a completely accurate model of the effect of an optical system of light, rather than due to flaws in the optical elements. So, aberration means in optical system such a lens and curved mirrors, the deviation of light rays through lenses causing images of objects to be blurred. In an ideal system, every point of the object will focus to a point of zero size on the image. Practically, however, each image point occupies a volume of finite size and unsymmetrical shape, causing some blurring of the whole image. Unlike a plane mirror, which yields image free of aberration, a lens is an imperfect image producer, becoming ideal only for rays passing through its central parallel to the optical axis. The equation development for object image relation in a lens having spherical surface are only approximate and deal only with praxial rays, that is, rays making only small angles with the optical axis. When light of only a single wavelength is present, there are 5 aberrations to be considered, called spherical aberration, comma aberration, astigmatism, curvature of field, and distortion. A 6th aberration found in lens but not in mirrors, namely chromatic aberration, results when light is not monochromatic. Thank you.